BITSAT 2026 has always posed a challenge for many students, and here we are gonna look at how we should target BITSAT 2026. And in order to analyze it completely, we must take a look at the 2024 cutoffs, previous year cutoffs, and based on which we will be able to figure out how much marks which we need to exactly land into our dream branches. So watch this video from beginning till the end so that you do not miss out on any important thing. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Now, before we proceed, here is an important thing for you, that we are bringing continuously practice series for BITSAT 2026 for you on our YouTube channel. So like this video as much as possible and help us reach the target of 100 plus likes, by which we feel enthusiastic and we continue bringing such kind of practice series for you. Okay, so like this video as much as possible. Now take a look at BITSAT cutoff scores for academic year 2024. Now this is the main campus cutoffs. As you know, main BITS Pilani campus is highly popular among the BITSAT aspirants. So these are the branches which are distributed over here, and these are the cutoff marks. As we know that maximum marks is 390, out of which the most popular branch is computer science, and its cutoff went up to 327. So this is one of the first and flagship branch for BITS Pilani, highly popular, and it is actually comparable to the top IITs. So this is the first branch that we have looked at. Second branch was the electronics and communications. The cutoff went 314. So this is the second most popular branch. Now here we can see the other branches are also there. 318 went for mathematics and computing. So this is also a phenomenal branch after computer science. So these are the some of the highest cutoff that we have seen, above 300 marks. Here were some of the other popular branches as well. Electrical and electronics went up to 292, and for the other branches also the cutoff is mentioned. For chemical it went up to 247, civil 238. Now if we take a look at the MSc branches, these are the dual degree programs. So cutoff went in the range of above like 240 and 250. The last branch somewhere around 236, something like that, and 165 went for B Pharma. So these are the statistics that we are actually taking a look at when we evaluate overall performance. So how much we are supposed to score to get into some of the decent branches. So obviously if you are planning for BITS Pilani and some of the prime branches, some first 4 to 5 branches, single degree programs, you must be able to score above 280 marks, which is essentially required at this moment. And if you want some kind of any branch but you want admission into BITS Pilani, then you must be able to score above 230 and 240. Now if you are aiming at BITSAT exam, if you want to seriously prepare for BITSAT exam, then you can actually start your preparation with our BITSAT 2026 Champions batch, which has been recently introduced by our team of experienced BITSians of 10Q Challenge team for future BITSians like you. We have recently launched a new batch which is starting from 20th August onwards, and remember that this is an year-long program. Champions batch is the most relevant BITSAT program which will help you to prepare properly and completely for your BITSAT 2026 exam. As this is an year-long program, so it is gonna be valid until your BITSAT second attempt, that is June end. Now remember that if you enroll it right now, as you know the batch is starting from 20 August onwards, so you must enroll it right now and you must visit our website 10qchallenge.in, and if you enroll it today itself, then you will be getting the exciting discount coupon code worth ₹1000 off. You can check the discount coupon code below in the description box, and also you will find the complete details how to enroll. If you have any course related query, you can contact us on this number 8839737146. Now take a look at the other campuses cutoff as well. Here is the Goa statistics provided. So for Goa, computer science went again above 300. So it was a 301 in 2024. Now for mathematics and computing, it went up to 295. Again, obviously this branch is also highly popular. So that's why the score was also equally challenging. For electronics and communication, it went up to 287. Whereas electrical, it went up to 279. So we can see that these figures are again and again loudly and clearly they are telling that we need to work hard. We cannot take this exam at all casually. We need to be very seriously preparing about this exam. Even the Goa campus is clearly stating that you need to score maximum marks at least above 280 so you can get decent admission into decent branches. For MSc again, the score is standing at above 240 and 250. So these are also highly popular branches that we can see right here. Now let's move on to Hyderabad campus. So here for BITS Hyderabad, computer science went up to 298. Again, below 300, just 2 marks less. So it doesn't make it less challenging. It is still challenging and you need to score at least above 300 to get to secure admission into one of the 3 campuses into top branches like computer science. For here we can see computing and mathematics 293. So you need to score above 290. It is clear that even for Goa and Hyderabad, for mathematics and computing, if you are planning that branch, you need to score above 290. For electronics and communication, again you need to score above 280. So it is clear from all the 3 campuses that for mathematics and computing, for computer science, for electronics and communication, you need to score at least 280 marks so that you can get admission into at least one of the 3 branches across the 3 campuses. And for even electrical and electronics, at least you need to score 270 marks. For MSc, again we can see these are the range above between 230 to 260. So this is how all the things are clear from all these statistics that we need to become very serious about BITSAT examination when we concentrate fully on the exam and we prepare with the right resources, right guidance, which you will definitely gonna get in our BITSAT 2026 Champions batch, which is starting from 20 August onwards. So don't wait, don't miss this opportunity. Start your preparation from right moment with the right resources and right guidance. Definitely we can clear BITSAT examination together, and just don't wait. Go fast and enroll yourself. Details are provided below in the description box. Now, as you have understood the cutoffs and all these statistics, so what are you waiting for? Start your preparation from now onwards. Get serious. See you in the upcoming videos. Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.